Well, my name is Steve Simon, and I'm running for Hamilton County Common Pleas Judge. I've been a lawyer here in Cincinnati, practicing law for more than 25 years, and I've spent most of my career representing working people, representing labor unions, and also representing individual employees who have suffered some injustice in the workplace, like discrimination or retaliation, harassment, and I've got lots of experience bringing those cases, including to trial, in common pleas. And I know how important it is to have good judges who are hardworking and conscientious, and that's the kind of judge I want to be. I've also been very active in the Bar Association, serving on the Ethics Committee and serving on the Cincinnati Bar Foundation, which serves the community.
What made you decide to run for judge?
Well, I've always had an idea that I wanted to act in some sort of public service capacity. I have served in community roles, but being a lawyer for 25 years, seeing the kind of judges in common pleas, I've seen good judges, but I've also seen judges that are often hostile to the kind of cases that I would bring, cases where I'm challenging a company's decision. Often the judge didn't have experience in that kind of area, and they sometimes would dismiss those cases without any judicial reasoning whatsoever. I want to be a judge that no matter who you are in my court, you'll be treated with respect and you'll get a fair shot. Well, I've raised my family in the city of Cincinnati. I lived in the neighborhood of Pleasant Ridge for more than 20 years, where my wife and I raised our two sons, and I was proud to serve on the community council, including act as its president. We did a lot of good work to keep the neighborhood safe, as well as work on a brownfield in our community. But the thing I'm most proud of is we worked to desegregate our public school, elementary school, that had been segregated on the basis of income and race for years. And now today, it is as diverse as the neighborhood that surrounds it, and I'm very proud of that work. Well, I think a judge has to be a community leader, and a judge also has to keep an eye on public safety. When I was community council president, that was paramount, because our city neighborhoods and throughout the county need safe neighborhoods. But we also have to make it a more just city, and as a judge, I want to make what I do in the courtroom more transparent, particularly when it comes to sentencing. The public should know what we're doing in sentencing, and so should the other judges, so sentencing is more uniform. I believe we can have a more safe Cincinnati and a more just Cincinnati.